welcome to the vlog. I'm just at work, got here a little bit early as usual. Super excited for today, even though I work until 10, so it's a super long shift. It's good because it's a Monday, and what I love about Monday shift is the meeting. I love attending meetings. I love being a grown-up and being like, oh, I had a meeting today, so it's fun. Today I already had my coffee, snowing outside. See, like actual snow again. And it was snowing for like half of September. It's October 1st, why is it snowing? My scarf, I just want to talk about it real quick. I got it yesterday. It's like dark purple, but I just bought it because I was like, well, whatever, it's cute. It looked really cute on a mannequin. I'll just buy it and just check it out and probably return it. But it's so soft. Like, I'm obsessed with it. And I'm a scarf hoarder and I can't. So I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I love the scarf. I'm just very big on like trying to grow, learn, and just like move up. Yeah, hopefully I just talk to work about it and we can come up with more ways that I can grow and learn. I'm trying to improve myself as a leader by being a more supportive person at work. So I'm trying to support my new trainees, any of my staff, my coworkers. I just want to be supportive of a leader as I can be. So I guess I will talk to you guys later. I don't know when I will get a chance because like I said, I'm working until 10 p.m. That's so hard. That's the work life. But I will see you guys in a bit. So last night was pretty tiring. It's the next day. I worked until 10 and then I pretty much just came home, had dinner, showered, tried to go to sleep. I picked up a shift today, which was like at 6 in the morning. So I managed to fall asleep at like 2:33 a.m. and then I had to be up at 5 to go to work. I got some Tim Hortons on the way because I just felt like garbage. I haven't done my makeup. I haven't done anything. Like I literally just rolled out of bed, threw on clothes, got tea, and started doing shipment. So glad to finally be done. Yeah, now I'm gonna head home and maybe take a nap, something, relax, and then figure out what to do with the rest of my day. Just got home from work. I really want soup, but the only one that we have at home is this one, and I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna try making it, and hopefully it's good. So I had my breakfast, I had my soup and my cheese bread, and that was really good. I took like an hour and a half-ish nap, and now I'm feeling a little bit better. Me and my brothers kind of wanted to go out somewhere and do something for a little bit. We're probably just gonna wander a few stores. I was thinking like maybe Indigo, Marshalls, Old Navy. I guess we'll find out when we get there what we're gonna end up hitting up. But it should be a lot of fun, and yeah, that's all I have planned for today. Ready to go.
I don't remember which one I have, part 3.
I kind of want like these kind of pastel-y pens.
Oh yeah.
I think they'd be really good for like a planner. How funny is this?
I should get Hillary this.
Oh, and she would love it. What I want to get for Jonah is a little Bob Ross pop stuffies. They're so cute. He'd be obsessed. We just went to Rafters for a little bit. Then we're gonna go back to Dollarama and I'm gonna get some poster papers for work. Pasta Tuesday. I'm getting the Mediterranean vegetable penne. Playing this game on my brother's computer called Theme Hospital, and it's so cool. It's kind of like a Sims roller coaster tycoon crossover, and I'm trying to cure people and build my own hospital. It's so bright and sunny today, so I got up this morning and I had a cup of tea and I showered, and I've just been doing a little bit of housework. I gave the bathroom a quick clean and I swept the kitchen, trying to upload my video clips for this vlog, and I'm hoping to edit it a little bit today, and then I have a few things to do for work, like organizing my orientation binder, so I'm hoping to do all of that today, and yeah, just have a really productive day. Can you believe it was snowing like 2 days ago? What is this? Day 3 of wearing this scarf. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with it, I cannot let it go. But I am just gonna be in a little bit of a rush. I am heading out to see Jonah now. Yeah, that's about it. So I have my work stuff with me, work bag. Hopefully get a lot done. Meeting him earlier than I thought. It's got like bath bombs that are lavender. It's got sheet masks, candy, little loofah. It's so cute. I love this color. Oh my god, wine. Give me wine. I've never owned wine. That is so fancy. Watermelon raspberry. That sounds so good. These little chocolate pretzels look amazing. And my favorite kind of chocolate is pink and purple nail polish. Morning guys, it's Friday. I work 1 to 10 again today, so probably not going to be able to vlog a lot, but I am hoping to make a little bit of progress in my room. Life has been like super chaotic for the past week. My brother Sheldon actually started working with me, so I was training him and I had his orientation, so that was super exciting. But then I got home, I made a pasta dinner and pretty much just went to bed. So I haven't really had a ton of time to work on my room. Hopefully I can at least clean up stuff, at least my bedside table. Okay, so far this is my bedside table. It's usually the cleanest spot in my room, but right now it's kind of looking like it exploded. I always keep little notebooks and things beside my bed. I don't know why. I'm just like, it's just one of my things I always do. So I have like a little like to-do list, but I can probably move this out to my desk where it makes more sense. I also have a little candle jar full of pencils, all sorts of things like that. That can probably go to my desk as well. Little red box actually has makeup of mine that's a little more special occasion, like it's a little bit better than my everyday makeup. I don't tend to reach for it that often, but if I'm looking for something specific, then I will use what's in here. I have eyeshadow palettes, I have a MAC foundation, gorgeous foundation. So my favorite foundations are in here, a nude eyeliner, this is like my only one, nail polish, all sorts of nice things. So yeah, I'll probably still keep this here just because it makes more sense here than on my desk, and those are the only two surfaces that I keep in my room. Boston Pizza mints don't need to be here. I have a couple of nail polishes. Clearly I should use them because this is still a thing. Like, ew. I don't really know what to do. This is the nail polish that me and my mom used last time together. I love it and I actually don't want to use it again. I just want to keep it because it's so pretty. And it's hers and it looks like a little cherry. So maybe I'll keep it in my purse for now so I can do my nails like at work on my break or something. I have a sharpener which goes with the pens and the pencils. I have this perfume, it's Banana Republic. I love it. I got it for Christmas. Jonah actually got it for me and it's in the scent Pure White. And I pretty much just keep this for display purposes. Like, it just looks rich, you know? So I don't know if I should just keep this here still or maybe if I should just move it over there, because it's not like it's technically getting used here, it's just there for decoration. So I think I might move this back there and just give myself more space instead. This is really funny, but I actually found like this little hanky. It's brand new, it was packaged and I took it out of the package. It's pink and it has little polka dots. I just think it's really funny because I've been trying to get into the whole like minimalist thing and like trying to help the environment and stuff like that. I was actually thinking I really want to try like getting into hankies and keeping them instead of keep tissues and constantly running out of them. It's just a better thing for the environment. So I want to keep this and use this, but I also have a green one that I'm using right now. So maybe I'll just keep this on my bedside table. I actually received this candle as a gift from our backdoor neighbor. They're so nice and the smell of this candle is amazing. Really pretty. I've only burnt it a little bit for like 5 minutes one time, so I was like, I just wanted to keep it forever. It's so pretty. I love the frosted glass of scraps of like papers and receipts and all sorts of things. So I'm gonna go through all of this. This is my mom's perfume. I really like it, but I don't think I'm going to be using it. I think I'm going to keep it more as a keepsake. Batiste dry shampoo, and I love it. It's so good, but I don't use it very often because I'd rather just wash my hair. So yeah, maybe that'll go to the red box. And then I have this hand sanitizer that my aunt gave me, and it's handy to have sanitizer, but this is like a huge one, and I usually just keep a small one in my purse, and I was going to refill it with this. So I'll probably just keep this in my closet as a backup. I have this Fiji Water Lotus body lotion, but the texture is kind of changing, so I want to use it up really quick before it like gets worse. Camera battery, I need a place for my electronics. I'll keep it on my desk for now because again, that's where it makes sense. This little owl keychain I've had for ages. You guys probably recognize it from like my old what's in my purse videos. It's cute, but I don't know, I kind of want to keep it as like a keepsake thing, maybe like in a sentimental box if anything. And then I have a bunch of these it's so weird. I have a bunch of these magazines that are actually all free from Walmart because I'm weird and I love these. I haven't read any of these three because I just haven't had the time, but I actually really love these magazines. They have a lot of really good recipes and some good tips. Like, they're actually a really fun little read. And then I have a basket and it had flowers in it at some point, and the flowers are now in the garbage. So I just have this St. Ives coconut milk and orchid lotion. I love this lotion. It's almost empty, so that's why it was in there upside down, because I'm just trying to get the last little bit of it out. I have a lighter for the candle. I have a movie ticket, the Smallfoot, in theaters because me and Jonah went and saw it. With all that decluttering, the table looks a whole lot better. The lotion's annoying, but it's gonna be gone in like a day, I promise. But it's down quite a bit and it's pretty clean. So I think that's all that I'm going to do for before work, because I still haven't eaten anything, so I'm gonna have a quick breakfast, a little veggie sandwich, and have that, and then go to work.